Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show my watch collection from Armani brand. So what I have here is I have these two Emporio Armani watches, and I have this one here Armani Exchange, and there is a one I am wearing here which is again Armani Exchange. So let's get started. So let's start with this Armani Emporio Armani watch. So I'm trying to show you the inside so you can see the branding on it. So here if you look at it, you can see Emporio Armani and then this eagle logo. And here this is the hour hand, this is the minute hand, and here what you see here is the seconds. So the Armani eagle logo that is rotating, it's a seconds hand. So it looks pretty neat and decent. It doesn't have any fancy dials in it. It doesn't have anything which is out of ordinary which you can think of in these brands. So I think this is more of a office or party wear kind of thing, not like casual thing. This is more like a formal wear, I would say. And I always wear this to office or in parties. It goes along pretty good. If you have a suit or a party wear, this goes pretty good with that. It's a 46 dial. It doesn't have any numbers written on it. Just have those what you call uh, you know things in there, which is like just going to say like from 12 1 2 3 4 all the way like this. And this is how it is. It has a date showing in there. The back, it has a claps which is pretty standard, and this is how most of these brand watches comes with. If you take a look at Armani or Gucci or Tag Heuer, any brand, they have this kind of claps coming in there. And let me show you the back. So if you take a look at the back, it has a stainless steel back case or cover. It has the Armani logo, the eagle and GA written on it, and it talks about what exactly it is, stainless steel and all those things in there. So this watch is pretty decent, and the watch band, if you look at it, is all black with this border which is like golden, and this golden goes along well with the inside golden design as well. So pretty neat and decent, looks good. And again, this is Armani brand, and you can see why this is a brand and why people like it. Why I like this and why I have this watch with me is just because how it looks and feel. So moving on to the other one, this is again Emporio Armani, and if you look at, this is a chronograph, and this is different than what I have here. So let me pick these both here so you can see them together. And here you can see here they both are Armani Emporio, but sorry, Emporio Armani, but this is a black with no chronograph or inner dials, and this is all golden and steel with chronograph in there. And here this one, if you take a look at it, it has a hour hand as a minute hand, and it doesn't have a seconds hand. So the second hand is right here, which you can see the small dial that I'm pointing here, and this is how this is built. And there are two other chronograph, and there's a date display here. And if you look at it, I think this watch is little heavy compared to the one right here, and maybe because it has so much thickness in here. And if you look at the back of it, as every Emporio Armani watch has, Giorgio Armani watch has the eagle and GA written on it. It says Emporio Armani right in there, and the claps is pretty uh, neat stainless steel. You can see the Armani logo right here, and the band, it's pretty much golden and silver combined together. So this watch looks and feel pretty decent. And again, you can wear it you know whenever you want, like party, office, outings, or picnics. But I will stay to parties only or office because this goes along good with your formal or suit or whatever you want to wear it. So this is my, you know, pretty much, uh, a pick for any party wear. So the other two watches I have here is Armani Exchange, which is again Armani brand. This is Armani Exchange Chronograph, and this is also Armani Exchange Chronograph. And the look and feel is different here. So let me do one thing. Let me put this on my wrist here so you guys can see it side by side. So if you look at here, these are their Armani Exchange, blue dial. But if you look at the inside design, they are set up separately. So the one on the right has three dials, top, left, and bottom, and the one on the left here, this watch, it has all the dials bottom. So this is the only difference. And then the inner part is how the Armani Exchange logo is set up, how the number and the wordings and everything in there. This is how they both are different. So I have this both. I bought this both because even though they look blue dial inside, but they are not similar. They are different. So that's why I have this. The buttons, if you look at on this, Armani Exchange logo here. This is the buttons for the chronograph. So let me see what this do here. Yeah, I think it's going to have this date set up or something. And then I can see this one is moving as well, like a second thing. And the back, it's Armani Exchange printed on it. And here, I think on the claps, they have Armani Exchange written as well. You can see it here. It's a 46 watch. It's a good watch, feels heavy, nice, and looks good. And the same goes here as well. It's a 46 but the only thing I see major difference is the buttons and the inner dial and the design in there. But the look and feel and the design, you can see here Armani Exchange on the claps here. Chronograph works pretty good, and I think they both are good watches to have. And with that, I'm done reviewing these watches. These two are Emporio Armani, and the one here and the one on my wrist here are Armani Exchange. I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, subscribe. Thank you.